So today I want to show you whole story what happened to USDC. Basically, you saw over here that they lost 13%, which is impossible for stablecoin. Of course, there is always a risk. This is biggest dip since they were issued in 2018. You can see it over here. And today I just want to explain you what the hell happened, and let's start from beginning. So USDC is stablecoin which is pegged to US dollar. It should be always $1. And it never should happen something like this. They are issued by a company called Circle, and that company, you can see it over here, is doing transparency document every single month. And in January they did this over here. So USDC in circulation is 43 billion, and fair value of that USDC is a bit more. And then over here you can see where they are holding all that money. So 34 billion they are holding in total USD treasury securities, and then over here total USDC reserve assets as of January 17, 43 billion 527 million US dollars. So then if they doing transparency and we saw that they are holding all money one by one to amount of circulating tokens, what the hell went wrong and why we are 13% down, which should not be thing in stablecoins? The reason is Silicon Valley Bank. So their shares went down from 700 to 40. You can even see it over here. Over here they were on 750, and now they are basically down. Only in last month they lost 60%. And over here this guy said from 700 to 40, Silicon Valley Bank shut down by US regulators after it lost 95% of its market cap and went bankrupt. A loss of 110 billion to the shareholders. And then I found another tweet as well from this guy. Breaking 12 days ago, CEO and rest of top holders sold their shares. I don't know if this is accurate, someone can check if they want and put in comments, but over here are dates and you can see that value which they sold. So there are rumors that they knew what is going on. And then we are coming to answer why this happened. Well, Circle or USDC, they were holding 25% of their cash in Silicon Valley Bank, and this is big issue. Like you can see over here, Silicon Valley Bank is one of 6 banking partners which Circle use for managing the 25% of portion of USDC reserves held in cash. And then I'm not sure if they are holding 25% of whole USDC cash or they are one of the 6 banks which are holding whole 25%. I think it's another one, because over here in another tweet they said that only 3.3 billion or 40 billion of USDC reserves are remaining at Silicon Valley Bank. So I guess it's only 3.3 billion, but FUD is here because you can't know exactly with all these stablecoins. Because if you remember Luna and Terra Classic, you know that they went basically bankrupt as well and they still didn't recover. So there is a lot of FUD and people are scared, and always when something like this over here happen, there will be a lot of FUD which will take even more money out. I personally don't want to give you any financial advice because I'm not financial advisor, but I do kind of think that this is a bit too huge and that we're gonna go back to peg. But once again, I'm not financial advisor, and I also did change my USDC to USDT, but it was as soon I heard about all the Silicon Valley Bank stuff and I was not 13% in minus.